Welcome to Duck Tales, the ultimate guide to pet duck care. In this comprehensive video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to ensure your feathered friend is happy, healthy, and well cared for. From setting up a comfortable living environment to providing a balanced diet, regular health care, and much more. We'll also delve into the fascinating world of egg-laying ducks and how to keep your duck mentally stimulated. So make sure to stick around till the end to get all the information you need. Now let's dive right into our first topic, setting up the perfect living environment for your pet duck. Stay tuned. Firstly, the living environment of your duck plays a significant role in their health and happiness. Think about providing a dedicated duck house or pen that's insulated, dry, and free from drafts. Fill it with straw or hay for a soft bed, and ensure there's plenty of space for your duck to stretch and move about. Secondly, a balanced diet is crucial. Duck pellets, packed with essential nutrients, should be the cornerstone of their diet. Complement this with grains like cracked corn and wheat, and vegetables such as lettuce and peas. And don't forget the occasional treat of mealworms or other tasty morsels. Regular health care is another vital aspect. Establish a good relationship with an avian veterinarian who can guide you in your duck's health maintenance. Vaccinations and preventative care are key to ward off diseases. Stay alert for any signs of illness and don't hesitate to seek professional help if you notice any changes in behavior or appearance. Remember, ducks are social creatures. They thrive in the company of their own kind, so consider having at least two. Interaction with humans is also important. Spend time with your ducks daily, offering treats, gentle petting, and soothing conversation. Building trust gradually improves their overall well-being and strengthens your bond. Safety and protection should be a top priority. Ducks are vulnerable to a range of predators, from foxes to birds of prey. Construct their outdoor play area with safety in mind using sturdy fencing that prevents intrusion. Make the duck house predator-proof with secure locks and design considerations to keep potential threats at bay. For those with female ducks, providing a suitable environment for egg-laying is essential. Set aside a quiet, secluded spot with nesting boxes filled with soft straw. Monitor their laying habits and collect eggs daily to prevent breakage or predation. If you're not planning to hatch the eggs, store them in a cool place or refrigerator. Finally, remember to engage their minds. Mental stimulation is crucial for a duck's well-being. Enrich their environment with toys and activities that encourage exploration and play. In conclusion, caring for a pet duck demands dedication and knowledge, but the rewards are immense. From creating a comfortable and safe home, providing a balanced diet, prioritizing regular health care, fostering social bonds and companionship, ensuring safety and protection, caring for egg-laying ducks, to engaging their minds. Each step contributes to the well-being and happiness of your feathered friend. Embrace the journey and enjoy the companionship of your delightful pet duck.